It's already installed with a wallpaper. Thanks to my lovely wife. Oh, umalis yung lovely wife ko. So ayun, naka-install na yung kalahati. So these are composed of 6 columns or panels. So we tried our best to pagkasya yung 6 columns. Kaya lang medyo konting cut doon sa bandang dulo kasi talaga mahirap i-estimate yung cut, especially hindi perfectly aligned yung walls or perfectly anong tawag doon? How do you call it doon? Yung hindi diretso yung walls because yung paritada is hindi pantay-pantay, diba? And yung ceiling and of course the flooring is baka hindi rin pantay. So medyo may konting adjustment. So ang pinaka challenging part is yung first part. It's so noisy. We're gonna have lunch na kasi we're hungry na. It's already past lunchtime. So we're gonna take a break. Ito muna ang first part, yung first wall. And then later is yung second wall. Merong window. So medyo may challenge lalo dito kasi may mga windows na. So we have to cut and cut. And if we still have time, tuloy namin dito sa harapan. Over this particular area. Kung kasya pa yung wallpaper. So abangan mamaya. Ito po yung pambasang vlogger, Ross Rosario, kasama ang aking adorable, lovely, and very helpful wife, Wilma. Wilma, pakita mo na rito. Nahihiya siya. So, abangan ninyo. Mamaya, ang continuation ng aming wallpaper project, courtesy of